Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Realboxing 2 profile. So let's get started. First, open the Realboxing 2 game. Tap on the settings option from the top left corner of your screen. Here you can find the reset profile option. Simply tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete your Realboxing 2 account. To proceed, tap on the tick mark icon in the confirmation message. Another confirmation message will appear to make sure you really want to reset your profile. Finally, tap on the tick mark icon again in the second confirmation message. And this is how you can reset your Realboxing 2 profile. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.